guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Teardown. And so, guys, for you guys today, I got a water bucket box, technically that. Another axe, guys, which is technically the sledge hammer. This game calls it sledge. This kid's bedroom. Guys, I was supposed to this out. Oh my god, there's no lights. Hello? Let's just get out of this house. Alright. Get out. So guys, can this break through this? No. We can break through that. I'm not going. Oh! Oh, because guys, look at the lead. A lead connected to a track. Where did you still talking from? I get this straight. Guys, check out this mod. We have story, flamer, laser, water, cannonball. So guys, I'm just gonna grab shotgun. So guys, you can go manually, but I like to go. Alright. Indestructible. Ah, man, hold up. Alright, bet. Wait. This ain't no. Oh, this is impossible. Okay, bet. Bow. And a big crossbow. Oh! Okay. Just because guys are my neighbor's thing, God. Guys, watch this. I'm stuck. I died. Alright. So, this is what guys, I'm just kind of want to do stuff like this and stuff today for y'all. Because I didn't know there was water. Hey, wait a minute. So guys, can I? Run. Guys, no way it's still dropping. Was it? Still drops! Keep it up! Keep it up! Go, 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 go! Guys, when I drove it down, Hey, excuse me, guys, what even is this? Oh! Guess what, guys? Wait, hold up, I know why. Guess what, guys? I guess we can take out the top support. Guess what, guys? Man. Yo, talk to me. Yeah. So wait, so this is okay. Can I drop this? No way. So this is what guys, my business has been going good. Okay, gonna take the bridge here. This is what guys, you're not supposed to. Oh! So guys, there's no way. Because I'm pretty sure that this is the train. Hold up, so guys, I think I saw my telekinesis. No. So guys, comment down below how you use this. Oh, he's doing range. Oh, he's doing range. But that's what they do. You know, there was no confusion. But I found out how to confuse. I don't know how to make songs like that. I don't know which words even. So guys, I'm just doing the train driver. I'm doing the train driver's job right now. So guys. Okay, so guys, this one's gonna go on nicely. I said nicely. So guys. Oh, sorry about that. So guys, I'm pretty sure I can take this. And pull this to the other side. Yeah, pull to the other. I'm pretty sure I can. Yeah. So guys, I need to pull right here. So guys, okay. So we're gonna pull it now. We're gonna pull it. Look at that. Guys, I think I gotta detach. So guys, open my everything. Guys, I'm gonna get my places. Tons of guys. Guys, I gotta make money. Okay. Alright, there should be enough for me to push it. Guys, I literally just, did I just go through it? Guys, I literally just glitched through it. Guys, is there like a ball wallet? Guys, there's a grapple. Magnetic. Guys, this might work. Guys, it worked. Sort of. Guys, bye. See you in the next video, y'all. Guys, take care. So guys, peace out. Guys, see you in the next video, y'all. Peace.